You can check the correctness of any offer or product import in the Empik Play Seller dashboard. Go to Price and Stock tab, then click File Import and select Track Product Imports or Track Offer Imports. The most important information when it comes to offer import is how many lines were updated out of all lines you uploaded. If the number of updated lines is lower than the number of uploaded lines, it means that the error occurred during the import. Correctly imported file will be marked with color green, whereas incorrectly imported file will be marked with color red. Each incorrectly imported file has a report that indicates what errors have occurred during the import. Information on the error can be found in the Errors column. The error in the report can be described in Polish or in English. It depends on the type of entered data and it is impossible to translate them. To re-upload the import correctly, thoroughly analyze information from the error column. Let us see examples of error reports that may occur during product or offer imports. The first one is the category is unknown. It means that the indicated category is not in the Empik Play system or has been assigned incorrectly. You can verify all categories and their subcategories in the Seller dashboard. In the menu bar, select Settings, Platform, Commissions. Solution depends on the method of product entry. In the case of CSV file, use the category code, not the label. In the case of the mapping wizard, verify if the correct code from our mapping category is assigned. When a category does exist, verify if it is saved in the proper format. Next example is, the attribute must be a date. This means that one of the attributes indicated in your file should be entered as a date. When you import a CSV file, pay attention to whether there are columns that require the date to be entered. Additionally, this should be done in the correct format. Check the file and note which column should contain the date written in the correct format. Then upload the file after elimination of this error. EAN, the value is already set in another product. This means that the entered EAN number has already been assigned to a different product. In Empik Place, it is not possible for the EAN number to be assigned to two different products. One product equals one EAN code. Check if this EAN code is correctly assigned in the product catalog. If it's already been used, you will have to purchase the EAN pool and assign a new number to it. The product does not exist. It means that there is no product in the Empik Place system with the indicated ID. Each seller must indicate, among other things, an ID of the product and define the value to which offer should be linked. The solution to this problem is that the seller must first set up a product page in the Empik Place system and then link their offer. The SKU field is duplicated in the source file. It means that there are two products with the same SKU number, which is impossible. The SKU indicates the number of the offer, which will be used as an identifier in the seller's inventory. The solution to this problem is that the merchant has to check what products have the same SKU numbers. Then, a new SKU must be assigned to one of the products. The state of the product is unknown. It means that if XML or CSV format file is used, a product has not been marked as new. Empik Place can include offers of products that are original, brand new, and packaged in original packaging. To solve this problem, the seller must enter a technical code 11 in the state column during filing in the XML or CSV file. This code represents a new product in our system. The price field is mandatory. It means that the price of a product has not been entered or it was entered in the wrong format. Price is one of the mandatory fields. It is a gross price for an Empik customer, and it has to be separated by period, that is 29.99. The seller must verify if the price field for the product is provided and if the format of the price is correct. Then, we upload the file. No existing offer to update. It means that the seller is trying to update an offer that is not in the MPIC Place seller dashboard. There are two types of import in MPIC Place which have different purposes. The first one is normal. It creates, updates, or deletes data. The second one is delete and replace. It deletes existing data and replaces it with data from the imported file. The solution to this problem is that the seller must check if they are using the correct import mode. If there are offers in the file that are not available in MPIC Place, it means that they have to add them to the system through the normal mode. Lastly, we have the logistic family is unknown. It means that you have entered a logistic class that is not set in our configuration. In MPIC Place, each seller can have a maximum of 11 logistic classes, which you need to complete according to your shop preferences. You will be able to assign the appropriate logistic class to a product order. In order to solve the problem, you need to assign a logistic class to the product that is provided by your store. You can do this through selecting Settings, Shop, and clicking Shipping Configuration.